Japan just gave the green light to a research protocol that's turning heads in science and bioethics. For the first time, scientists there will be allowed to create human embryos from scratch using skin cells that have been genetically reprogrammed into iPS cells. These aren't your typical embryos. They're made without using eggs or sperm from donors, and definitely not for making babies. Here's the deal. A special panel of experts approved making sperm and eggs out of iPS cells, then fusing them to create embryos. The point? To study infertility and genetic diseases that have stumped medicine for decades. Japan's strict rules mean these embryos can only grow in the lab for up to 14 days, and after that, they must be destroyed. Implanting them in a person or even an animal, totally off limits. This approach is all about careful progress, by using iPS cells, a Nobel Prize-winning invention by Shinya Yamanaka. Japan dodges the ethical issues of destroying IVF-derived embryos. These iPS cells come from ordinary adult tissue, like skin, so they sidestep a lot of controversy while offering huge research potential. Now, we're not at the point of making fully functional human sperm and eggs just yet. But scientists have already made early-stage versions, and in mice, similar techniques have actually led to live births. Japan's experts think human applications could be just around the corner. But let's not skip over the ethical tension. Surveys show half of people in Japan accept this research, but the other half are worried about designer embryos or the slippery slope to artificial reproduction. That's why the 14-day rule matters. It keeps Japan in line with global standards like those in the UK and EU, and reassures the public that boundaries are in place. So, Japan joins a growing club of countries exploring this front line of science, strictly for research, never for reproduction. What comes next could change our understanding of infertility and genetic disease forever, or spark even more debate about where science should draw the line.